Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and use a password reset disk in Windows PC. A password reset disk can be used if you forget your password for a local account. If you forget your Windows password, you can use a password reset disk to create a new one. It is recommended to create a password reset disk when creating a password, so access is not lost to files and information. To create a password reset disk, follow these steps. In Windows 10 or 11 with your local account logged in, insert a USB drive or SD card. Type password reset in the search box and click create a password reset disk, or go to control panel, select user account, then click on create a password reset disk. Click next, select the location to create the password key disk at, and then click next. Enter the account password and click next. Click next. Now you can see confirmation for the password reset disk is successful. Click finish. In the USD drive, here is the reset password file. To use the password reset disk to reset password, follow these steps. Boot the PC and key in the password. Click OK when the password fails. Insert the password reset disk and click reset password. Click next. Select the password reset disk and click next. Type and confirm the new password. Create a password hint. Click next. Then click finish. This covers how to create and use a password reset disk on Windows PC. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.